If you use earbuds like these, this 100 rupee gadget is something you absolutely need. Look, even the best wireless earbuds like these AirPods Pro fall out of the ear when running, walking, or even worse, sometimes while eating. Now, the cost of one replacement AirPod is 10,000 rupees. I'm not paying that, so I got this. You can push any earbud into this and it holds the earphones in the worst possible situations. Also handy for times when you want to take off the earbud but don't want to put them back in the case. So 100 rupees versus 1,000. You decide, and